dance and tease. Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want and need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This amazing bang wig is from Luvme hair. So if you want to achieve this really sexy and nice bob, just keep on watching for details. Alright guys, let's get into the details. So as you know, this is from Luvme hair and that's the box. This is me opening it for the first time and this is what was in there. And you guys, I'm really excited about this because honestly, as much as I love to lay my wig, sometimes it's nice to just put on a wig and go. No, you don't have to worry about gluing it down, spraying it down, nothing. So I'm showing you guys inside. There's two combs, there's a nice elastic band, and there's a comb at the bottom, so all of that will help with grip. And there's also lace in the middle, and they already bleached it for me, which is absolutely amazing. So I'm just putting it on my head right now. This is the first time I'm seeing it with you guys too. And look at me. So at first glance, I'm kind of like, but I'm realizing it looks damn good, okay? And I haven't even done anything to it yet. So right now I'm just trying to feel it up, trying to zhuzh it up, trying to see, you know, how I can adjust it to my head shape. But so far I am liking it. I just know that there's some work to be done, but that's no problem. Because again, this hair, I could just put it on and go. So I'm just putting it back a little bit because it was too much on my eyes. And already this is a look, you guys, but don't worry. I know it's kind of like not as straight as we want it to be, but we're going to take our straightener and we're going to fix that. Alright, so there's two main things we're gonna need. We're gonna need our hot comb to lay it down flat, and we're gonna need our straightener, okay? So right now, before I apply my hot comb, I'm going to apply my wax stick, and I'm going to apply my serum. All of the information will be down below. And I'm just going to add a little bit of serum to my hand, as you can see. Trust me, a little bit goes a long way because you don't want it to be like super oily and gross looking, right? So I'm just applying it to the hair. I'm making sure to apply it on the part where I'm going to apply the hot comb, because the last thing you want is for the hot comb to take out the hair because it's so hot. And now I'm taking the wax stick, and the wax stick really helps it to just lay flat, but I find that it also protects the wig from heat. So this is a really important step. Alright, and now I'm just going to apply my hot comb to the top because we want it to lay nice and flat, okay? And you can already tell that it's nice and flat. The hot comb really does wonders, you guys. It looks really good. And I know I'm making facial expressions, but that's just because my husband was making jokes and I was trying to keep a straight face. So now that I did that, I am going to take a little bit more serum, but literally when I say a little bit, just use a little bit. And I'm just going to put it all over the hair. And this is going to help me to protect the hair when I straighten it. Because this hair is straight, but it's going to look even nicer when we just really customize it and make it nice and uniform. So after I do that, I'm just going to straighten the hair, and not too straight, but in a little wave so that it could be a nice bob. And you can see the difference between this side and that side. So we're just going to straighten it downwards as if you're doing like a downward curl, but not too much of a curl, just nice and straight. I don't know if that makes any sense, but just you know, what I'm doing, that's what you should do if you want. And before I do the bangs, I'm just taking them and brushing them out so it could be nice and neat. And I'm going to take my straightener and do the same thing in the front. And now I look like Lord Farquaad, but it won't look like that for too long. You just want to play with it until it looks super nice. And now I'm just here trying to zhuzh it up a bit, but look how beautiful it already looks. Like, this is so important, you guys. You always, as soon as you get a wig, you want to customize it to your face. You want to see what works with you. For me, I kind of like it when my bangs have a little space in it, so I'm just showing you guys that. You guys, this bang wig is amazing. And because I already straightened it once, I won't have to do that again. I can just take it off, put it on a wig mannequin head, and put it back on, and it's going to look exactly like this until I want to wash it. This is the perfect wig for just being on the go, and this is super sexy too, so you can wear it on date night. And I'm showing you how it would look like if you want it more back on your head, or if you want it more forward on your head, depending on how long you want the bangs to be. And that's what I like about this too. You can put it wherever you would want the bangs to be. So if you want them super long, super short, it's up to you. And I'm even showing you guys if you want to put the bangs on the side, it's up to you. I personally won't do it like this, but I know some people would like that. I just kind of want it on my face, nice and messy, nice and cute. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Shout out to Luvme Hair for always providing the top tier, top quality hair, okay? I can never go wrong with Luvme Hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.